Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Fetch, wanted to cover this because Fetch overall, like yesterday evening, we got a nice bounce from the markets. We're not bullish yet, of course, but Bitcoin got a bit of a reclaim here on top of 60,000, so that's bullish. And what we saw, and that's still what you can see right now, is that Fetch, but also Ocean and Ajax, the ASI alliance, of course, we're actually relatively bullish. Like if you look at Fetch and if we zoom in, especially what we saw is a pretty big buy order coming in right here at 11 p.m. yesterday. So that's good, and that means that well, right now Fetch compared to other cryptos is actually one of the most bullish ones, at least in the last week, because before that obviously we have dropped down a lot. All right, and in general, and I do want to stress that, and I kind of want to start the video with that. In general, I think the price action right now for Fetch is price action you would like to avoid. All right, there are some things that could happen today when I would consider buying Fetch, and I'll tell you about those. But the thing is that with this enormous dump we had, with the ASI merge coming up sooner and sooner, of course, while we are moving forward in time. But then also the recovery we had, and I'll show you some of the order flow. All right, so I'll show you some of what's happening with positions opening, positions closing, liquidations even. All right, because we got a ton of liquidations, especially long liquidations. I mean, with those drops we had, a lot of people were liquidated already in the entire month. But with that drop we had, which started the 22nd of May. We had a ton of liquidations, and then after the 7th of June, we were more bullish and more bearish than the markets. Also had major liquidations then. So what you can see right here is that we have seen, like the last week when we kind of recovered, the momentum was super high. All right, so that's what you see right here. But the momentum like this, an increase like this, and you can already see it. Like it looks unnatural. Excuse me, my nose is itching a bit. But it looks unnatural. You have millions and millions in dollars in positions being opened here, and then you see a slow sell-off. That's manipulation, all right? That's whales buying in a lot, hoping, like creating some sort of an AI narrative, hoping that retail buys in and then slowly offloads their positions. And I kind of feel the same way about this move we have right now, all right? What you can see if you look at the order flow, oh, I dragged it away. What you can see if you look at the order flow is that we have significant positions being opened right here yesterday. All right, so yesterday evening we had those positions, and I do think like I don't think this is necessarily bearish, but then you see a lot of short positions being opened at this resistance level here, and it's that much of a short. It's that much of, like, so many short orders have been opened that I almost feel like it's another attempt to kind of do a sell-off again. So that's kind of what we have to see, because it's very double. Because if it's not whales, like if it's retail opening shorts at this resistance level because they expect it to hold again, then all of a sudden it becomes possible to get a short squeeze and to break above our main resistance, which is 1.75, and to rally. So the first thing I want to tell you is that, all right, if we do get some sort of an hour 4 break or hour 1 break above 1.75, we can rally a lot, all right? And the main resistance level, the main target would probably be $2. And this is purely guessing, but I would guess that there's quite a lot of liquidity up there as well due to the short orders we see. Yeah, a little bit lower there's actually liquidity. There's more liquidity at 1.8, which is pretty, like that's not that far away. But so that breakout, it's a possibility, but I don't think it's most likely we'll get that breakout. Like the only way we can get this breakout is some sort of manipulation, because I don't see major strength from Bitcoin. Which again, I mean, if Bitcoin turns very bullish, of course, today, then Fetch will follow. But there's no indication of that now. So I think it's most likely that Fetch will actually hold this resistance. It's a strong resistance. We don't have a lot of momentum, which you would need as well to get that breakout. So I think it's most likely we'll just drop back down towards 1.5 and potentially lower to 1.35. And that will stay in this consolidation right here. I also don't expect a huge crash. So that's good, I guess. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.